does it do, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, give that bell icon a nice good old rub down, y'all. The frame is officially finished, y'all. It is finished. I just had a little bit of grinding that I got to do to grind up a lot of this stuff, smooth out some things, and I'm gonna do that when it's time to get ready to kind of get all of this rust off for paint. As you guys can see, it kind of did it right here, but this video I am talking about this colorful things that's sitting behind me, y'all. I've already started. If you've been watching and following me on Instagram, then you should already know that I've already started the process to 3D print the body for the T-Rex replica, you guys. So it's been a process. I've been excited about it. It's been taking a long time, you guys. My birthday is right around the corner, and I'm actually looking forward to actually being able to have the body at least fully printed by my birthday, so that I can at least look at it. The only thing that I will say is, as far as the 3D print, the front is going to take a little bit more time, and the 3D print, I won't be able to like sit it onto the frame. For this video, what I basically did was I put together the entire tail, so the tail is complete. As far as the 3D prints, I just gotta seal it. I'm gonna basically put some super glue on to keep it sealed up, and put some tape on it, basically make sure it doesn't move anywhere. And then what I'll do is the driver's side, this little side panel that you got right there, which I'll basically just show you just the process as far as how I'm kind of just gluing it and just taping it. Then we're gonna get it set in, so when we're done, it should look, this side should look like a T-Rex. And then I'm going to be doing the passenger side. I'm actually printing out the passenger side now. That's going to take a little bit of time, so I won't show it in this video. And then after we finish the passenger side, instead of doing the front, I'm going to work on the seats. And the only reason I'm going to work on the seats is because I can pretty much get this thing ready to go if I get the seats done. But remember, we can't use these seats, so I'm gonna get these seats cleaned up and probably use these for the BAC mono project. Not sure. Oh well, actually take it back. Can't use it for the BAC mono. Probably take these seats, clean them up, and sell them. And then I had to readjust the brackets for the pedals. Now, this is not the way that the T-Rex is supposed to be. There's a design that is made so that way, because the seats don't slide, the pedals slide. I don't really want to change too much with this project, but at the same time, as far as I'm trying to make sure that I get everything ready to go, so that way we can go to get it registered and roads, so we can get it road legal, so we could drive this on the road. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm just going to use this temporarily, and then I'm going to take the time to actually make the bracket for mounting the pedals, so that way we can slide it. Now the cool part about that is that that bracket is completely removable, so I can take my time doing that. So for right now, I'm basically just going to go ahead and do it this way, so I can mount it on there. And then if I got to do a little bit of adjusting as far as moving those pedals, I can basically do that. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how the 3D print fits on. So this is the part right here. It took 1, 2, 3, 4. This, I ran out of filament on this part, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 prints, basically 5 parts per side. And each part took maybe about a day to print. For the most part, these bigger parts took a little bit over a day, but you're looking at maybe about like I want to say maybe like 34 hours for it to print. It wasn't really too bad, you know, just as long as you just keep it going. I got a mini little farm in the house, 3D printer farm, so I was able to get this done. But I actually was talking to Bat Mama, and I'm actually thinking about doing this for you guys. So if you guys maybe have some 3D parts that you want printed for your personal projects, keep a lookout for the Bat 883 website. As well as contact me on Instagram, and I'll be getting in contact with you guys as far as to let you know, so that way you can get your parts made, and I'll do the 3D printing and send it out to you, and you know, you can fiberglass it and everything. So yeah, like I said, you guys, so this basically is pretty simple. Everything fits right on the way it needs to. Just kind of see if we can get it in there without breaking nothing. Now, one thing about the 3D print, I didn't print this really thick, and the only reason I didn't print it thick is because I really didn't need to. I wanted to make sure that when I printed it, that I was saving as much filament as possible, because it's going to take a lot to do. And then I also wanted to make sure that I had basically enough for me to basically lay the fiberglass over top. Now I'm not gonna keep this on here. This is basically just for me to kind of lay the fiberglass on it, get the curves and everything. And then once I do that, I'll pop the fiberglass off and then we'll layer that up to kind of make it stronger. A lot of people were asking me about doing like just doing the fiberglass right over top of this, and I could, but I'm thinking we might have some warping issues. So with this side, I know that this one should be good, but let's see, get it fit on there without breaking nothing. Let's see. And then same thing with this one. We gotta do a little bit of trimming just to kind of get it on there. I don't want to push it. I don't want to push it. I don't want to break it. Oh, see? That's what I said. I didn't want to push it because I didn't want to break it, but sure enough, I did. It's fine. It's fine. Then we got clearance right there, and it's pretty good. So it's fine. I know that I had to do a little bit of trimming to basically get it to work. So now I know that what I'm gonna do is space that out like that, which is one of the reasons I want to 3D print this very light instead of with a lot of infill, because situations like this, I want to be able to easily break it and take it apart and actually adjust it to the way that I need it to fit. So I can take this right here, right? Since we know that this is good right here, and now I can take and adjust it so that way it fits right on there, you know, because I could, you know, just when I seal that up, fiberglass that up, that'll be sturdy enough right there. So that's fine. And then the other side, which was the same situation, put that up on there, and then I just seal the sides. That's all. I just seal the sides. Boom. And then from there, what we'll do is we'll join these two right here and seal it, and it should be good to go. So yeah, you guys, I mean, there it is. I just gotta do a little bit of tweaking and everything else like that, but it's coming together, you guys. I apologize, I haven't been posting too much, you guys. There's been a lot going on over here, so I've been trying to get this thing together as quick as possible, because I know that getting it street legal and registered is going to be a process. It's going to take a little bit of time. Hopefully it shouldn't be much because I have everything together and ready, but my biggest thing was just more so a matter of just trying to get things done as quickly as possible before it warms up, because I want to be able to drive this thing during like spring, summertime, and everything else like that. So I just want to get it together. I've been talking to a few people who have some events and things that's coming up, car events and everything else, and I want to be able to take it down there so you know, everybody can check it out and everything else like that. So if you're new to the channel, like I said, man, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and get that bell icon a nice good old rub down. Like I already said, you guys, be on the lookout. I'm going to be posting up information hopefully within the next couple weeks as far as what I'm going to do with bat883.com. From bat883.com, we're going to have a lot of merch on there, shirts, stickers, a ton of things, but mostly you guys are going to be putting up on there for the information. If anybody is looking to either get into 3D printing, I might do some videos showing the process, a little bit more about how I 3D printed this. I'm really considering possibly doing this if you guys are looking forward to actually like being able to get some 3D parts printed out for your own builds, body panels. I'm about to do the seats. You guys gonna see me do the seats and everything else, and then from there, you know, if you guys want to, you know what I'm saying, if you're interested, you know what I mean, I'm still working out all of the details and everything else like that before I go forth with that. But if you guys are interested, you know, I can 3D print the parts for you and send that out to you, and you can lay your fiberglass over top of it and you get your parts. See, this is going to be great because it's shaped perfectly for the wreck. So I'm looking forward to this, you guys. Till next time, you guys, I'm about to go ahead and get a lot of this stuff finished. I gotta go ahead and do a little bit more. I gotta do a little bit more work to this thing. Gotta get it prepped and ready so that way we can get it painted. Once we get it painted, you guys, we're gonna go to start doing the fiberglass. But I'm hoping that once I get it painted, you guys, it's drive time. So as soon as I get this thing painted, then I'll go ahead and actually start the process to get this thing street ready and road legal, and then I can actually drive this thing and have some fun with it, you guys. Let me go to get to work, y'all. Till next time, man, y'all make sure y'all stay safe out there. It's getting warm, y'all. It's feeling good. If you on your twos, make sure y'all stay safe. If you're not on twos, keep a lookout for all these crazies out here, man. I'll catch you on the flipsies. Deuces.